My name is Nadine Salam. I'm a project manager and a guarantee inspection service administrator with the Architectural Woodwork Manufacturer Association of Canada, AWMAC for abbreviation. AWMAC is a non-profit organization with 8 chapters, almost 400 manufacturers and associates in Canada. We developed the North American Architectural Woodwork Standards, which are standards for quality and workmanship. We offer guarantee inspection services on projects for architectural woodwork, making sure that all the projects are deficiency-free and following quality standards. Caspio has several functions. It is record keeping for all the projects, regarding the details of a project, and at the same time tracking the certified people on this project. All the projects were recorded as an Excel spreadsheet. Now with Caspio, all this information is within Caspio and it's very easy to search. Caspio helped us in streamlining our project processes into managing the projects from beginning to completion. Caspio made my work easier on a day-to-day basis because it is a search engine, and right away I can get the information from all over Canada, like nationwide. Caspio team was very helpful and very easy to work with, and they followed through with the project because it was a project for us to get all our records straight and streamlined our architectural woodwork into a good search engine. Caspio is a very user-friendly program. It does not have any limitation. So no matter what idea you might have, all you have to do is ask, and there's always a way in getting the idea across or make things happen. Everything is made easy with Caspio.